This book, Unreasonable Hospitality, was truly my favorite book of 2023. I absolutely love this book for so many reasons. If you read this book, you will hear the story of this couple who was out to dinner at the restaurant that the author, Will Guidara, ran. And it was an anniversary dinner. And the staff actually brought them champagne and things and had them put in their apartment. So when they came home, they were able to celebrate. I mean, the people at the restaurant that Will Guidara talks about in this book did some of the wildest things to bring unreasonable hospitality to their customers. And it has inspired so many amazing stories. If you follow Will on LinkedIn, you'll see so many stories that he talks about. Recently, he talked about a lady who was getting a kitchen floor put in, but she couldn't really afford to do the full kitchen floor, but was worried that it wasn't gonna look right. The company just went in and did the whole floor and made it right for her. And it was one of those things that you just felt so heartwarmed that somebody would go out of their way and do the thing. And I think that law firms can take unreasonable hospitality and infuse it into their practice in so many different ways. Recently, I mean, this is just one of the ideas that came up. We had an old client who actually owed money to the firm, and she reached out. She's trying to come up with a payment plan, and I responded to her. It happened to be on a weekend, and I was letting her know that of course we could go with this payment plan, but I also was intrigued by the fact she was looking for work. So I then asked her to send me her resume so that I could do what I could to help her and connect her to future prospects so that she could get a job. Watching her then get employed through some of that connection was such a powerful thing, and it was such a simple act. Such a simple act, just sharing somebody's resume with my network. And so you can bring unreasonable hospitality to your work in so many different ways.